Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's do a yoga sequence that can energize our mornings and boost our day. Standing straight in Samasthiti. And from here, we are going to lift the right heel off the mat and bring it back. Lift the left, bring it back. Let's do it one more time. As you place your heel back on the mat, you will see a difference in the way you stand. This corrects the alignment. So we are beginning our practice with a sense of better alignment and balance. Let's turn our head from left to right. Breathing through your nostrils, gently turning the head from left to right. And now up and down, bringing the chin to the chest. Up and down. So any stiffness in the neck or the shoulders, we want to get rid of it. When we get up in the morning, there are areas in the body that feel very tight, and we certainly don't want to take that stiffness to our day. Now let's do shoulder rotations. While doing the shoulder rotations, see if you can bring your elbows together. If bringing them together isn't available, that's okay. Bring them as close as possible. A soft neck, relaxed shoulders, and upper back will certainly keep you at ease, and you will make better choices throughout the day. Reverse the rotation. Nice. And remember, we have to breathe through our nostrils. Small things throughout the day that we do, they matter a lot. How we are thinking, how we are breathing, how we are standing. Okay. From here, we will inhale and take the left arm up. As you exhale, stretch to the other side. Side stretches, much needed. Coming out of it. Deep breath in, right arm up. As you exhale, stretch. Come out of it. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, you stretch, and see if this time you can bring your hands together. Coming out of it. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale and stretch, bringing the hands together. Coming out of it. Now let's stand with our feet wide apart. From here, we will turn our left toes to the outer edge of the mat, turning our body towards the left toes, bending the left knee. Take your time, make some adjustments. Hands at the hips. Knee is aligned with the center line of your foot. When you feel steady, take your arms up. Now you will see throughout this sequence, we are going to hold the poses for a few breaths. And that will call for greater stability, more energy, more willpower, and that is exactly what we encounter throughout the day. So let's begin our day with the right note. In our runner's lunge, holding the pose, And from here, bring both your hands on the inside of your left foot. The left hand stays low. And you take your right arm up. Stay there. Breathe. Looking up to the ceiling. And remind yourself, I am meant for greater heights. Now bring your right hand low and behind your back. Take your left hand behind the back, interlock the fingers behind you, and we are in a bind. Still looking up and holding the pose firmly, now coming out of it. And now the right hand will stay low. We will inhale and take the left arm up, turning our gaze towards the left hand. Breathing smoothly, holding the pose. The left hand comes down. And from here, we are going to straighten the left knee. Stay there. See if you can bring your palms down on the mat. A very good stretch you're getting in your left leg. You can stay here or see if you can bring your forehead closer to the left leg. As you bring your forehead low, you can bend your elbows to bring your body closer to the left leg. Lift your forehead and lift the left toes as well. A deeper stretch for the calf muscles and hamstrings in your left leg, and definitely a test of your endurance. Okay, coming out of it, and we are in a wide-legged forward fold. Take your time, come as low as available, and make sure that your neck is absolutely relaxed here. Close your eyes as you stay here for a few breaths and remind yourself, I am ready for this day. I am strong to take on this day. Now coming out of it. And we will take this stretch on the other side. So we will turn the right toe to the outer edge of the mat, turning the body towards the right toes, bending the right knee. Make adjustments. Make this pose yours. Nice. The back leg remains straight. Body is turned towards the right foot. The knee is aligned with the center line of your right foot. When you feel steady, take your arms up. Breathing deep. And bringing your hands down. Steady and strong in the pose. As you are in your character, both your hands on the inside of your right foot, turning the back toe parallel to the outer edge of the mat. Deep breath in and you take your left arm up this time. And you turn your gaze towards your top hand. Getting into the bind now. This seems like the right moment to remind yourself, I might find myself entangled in a situation, but I definitely have the strength to find my way out of it. So coming out of that bind, and now we will keep our left hand planted on the ground. Inhale and we take the right arm up, turning our gaze to the top hand. Both hands on the ground. Taking a few breaths here. And when we are ready, we are going to straighten the right leg. You can be on your fingertips or you can plant your hands. We are doing good. Breathing deep into the pose. And now lifting the right toes. We are holding the pose, not the breath. Keep breathing. Now stepping back, coming into the downward dog position. First downward dog of our practice. Take a moment, maybe you want to bend your knees. Do that if you want to. And from here, we are going to come into the plank position. Plank to down dog, downward dog to plank. Let's do it. Downward dog to the plank position. Coming to the plank position, and this time we will hold the plank. Bring your knees down, chest and chin down. Deep breath in, and we come into Bhajangasana. Exhale down. Now bend both your knees. Hold your feet with your hands. Take a deep breath in, and we are going to lift ourselves into the bow pose. That's a good reminder that I am strong and I am flexible. Come into Balasana. Take a few moments here. And with this, my Shakti family, you are ready for your day. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Have a good day and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.